The freeze misers can also be used on RVs. No more having to use heated hoses to keep your RV from having water. Unlike the heated hose, the freeze miser will protect your hose and your faucet from freezing. And here's the installation. All you need is a freeze miser, a two-way Y valve, and simply take your Y valve, screw it into your water connection. Then take your freeze miser and put it on the other end. Then take your hose, screw it into your Y. Make sure it's tight. Then go turn your water on to full open position, and then make sure both your valves are in the complete open position and you're protected. This will only activate when the temperature of the water falls below 37 degrees. It'll shut off when the temperature of the water goes above 37. So you don't have to worry about electricity or the faucet freezing up, because the freeze miser will protect your hose and your faucet from freezing up to 150 feet. As I talked about in the earlier video, if you have just a regular RV with your RV connection, your water connection on the exterior of the wall, I showed you that video, and here's another video if you have your water connection that's recessed inside your compartment here. Simply just take your Y valve as well, hook it into your water connection, and then get you about a 4-foot hose and connect it to the Y valve, so you have a way to get the water that drips outside of your RV. Connect your freeze miser to it, and then you have your incoming water hose here, and the same thing applies. The freeze miser will activate when the temperature of that water in this hose reaches 37 degrees, and then you'll have water coming into your RV at all times in the most coldest freezing conditions.